Welcome to Word of the Day in Sigi Segozales. So the Word of the Day comes also from Joshua chapter 10 from verse 1 to 2, and it says, Now Adonai is the king of Jerusalem, heard that Joshua had taken Ai and had totally destroyed it, just as he had done to Jericho and its king. So he was very frightened. He sent messengers to Uram king of Hebron, to Jarmuth king of Lachish, to Eglon king of Giza, to Deborah king of Eglon, and to the king of Hebron. They said, Come up and help me, take Ai and its king back. I'm about to attack Gibeon. God on your side makes the enemy terrified of you. God on your side makes the enemy tremble. In the Bible, the God of Israel was popular because of his strong hand in the lives of the people of Israel. In the Bible, God split the Red Sea and destroyed the Egyptians' enemies of the Israelites. God became famous in the camp of the enemy of the Israelites, and they would often fear to attack the Israelites, except for the arrogant and the foolish proud ones. So because God is on your side, the enemy is terrified of you. Because God is on your side, you are known of the enemy. We, however, have to be on God's side to enjoy the protective power and covering of our God, and that is the word of the day. God bless you.